Unong yalam ka UDP uba deru menteri ka sarkar jela uba Polindo ula ther ting ya ka ching terwa chong ka VPP ban pentre kam ya ka article laispa nyop huwei ha Meghalaya da ka ba ong baki artli ki kendon article laispa nyop huwei bat ka 6 schedule ki long ki baya pher bat ki bomla ban penyahap ula batai ba hangno bala pentre kam ya ka article laispa nyop huwei ki autonomous district council kimdon uba lingdo ula bancher ba kacing sensyar ba menta ka Meghalaya hapo ka 6 schedule kaladap ban pentikena i kijing yada na ka benta ki trai mulung Kynthoh ru ya kijing pelan na ka Citizenship Amendment Act ula pen pau shushu ba ka UDP ka bu hakmat daki kam daki ktin da ka ba penet jingmut ha kijing mi da ka ba penki ya ki pat ba da kijing kren.
I think certain political parties are so confused because they are fighting elections to the ADC and talking of Article 371, which itself is an entirely different agenda that has nothing to do with the 6th schedule. If you read 371 and the 6th schedule, you will definitely arrive at the conclusion that they are two separate provisions of the Constitution, and therefore applying 371 to the 6th schedule areas will lead to so much of confusion.
Menteri Katanat Social